Ever felt like you're on the verge of discovering buried treasure, only the map is missing? That's exactly how it feels when you're trying to find your Acorn account. You know it's there, potentially holding the key to financial growth, but the darn thing is playing hide and seek. Well, you're not alone. This is a question we get asked a lot, and in this video, we're going to equip you with all the tools you need to locate your Acorn account quickly and easily. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly recap what Acorns is all about for those who might be new to the platform. Acorns is a micro-investing app that allows you to invest spare change. Think of it like a digital piggy bank that automatically invests your roundups from everyday purchases. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.50 and you've set your roundup to the nearest dollar, Acorns will invest the extra 50 cents. Over time, these small amounts can add up, helping you build a diversified investment portfolio without even realizing it. Acorns also offers other features like recurring investments and found money, which gives you cashback rewards when you shop at participating retailers. So, you've signed up for Acorns, maybe dabbled in it for a while, and now you're trying to find your account. Where do you even start? The first thing to consider is how you initially signed up. Did you use your email address? Your phone number? Knowing this can significantly narrow down your search. Let's start with the most common scenario. You signed up using your email address. The easiest way to find your account is to head over to the Acorns website or open the Acorns mobile app. Look for a login or sign-in button. Don't click it just yet. Instead, look for a link that says something like "Forgot password" or "Trouble logging in." This is your golden ticket. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the email address you used to create your Acorns account. Make sure you enter it correctly, double-checking for any typos. Once you've entered your email, click Submit or Reset Password. Acorns will then send an email to that address containing a link to reset your password. If you don't see the email in your inbox within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these automated emails end up there. Click on the password reset link in the email. You'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password for your Acorns account. Choose a strong password that's different from the one you use for other accounts. Once you've created your new password, you should be able to log into your Acorns account using your email address and the new password. Now, what if you signed up using your phone number instead of your email? The process is very similar. Go to the Acorns website or app and look for the login or sign-in button. Again, skip it for now and look for the "Forgot password" or "Trouble logging in" link. Click on it. This time, you'll likely be given the option to enter your phone number instead of your email address. Enter the phone number you used to register with Acorns. Acorns will then send a text message to your phone containing a verification code or a link to reset your password. If you don't receive the text message within a few minutes, make sure your phone is turned on and has a good signal. You might also want to double-check that you entered the correct phone number on the Acorns website or app. Once you've received the verification code or link, follow the instructions to reset your password. Again, choose a strong and unique password. After resetting your password, you should be able to log into your Acorns account using your phone number and the new password. Let's say you've tried both your email and phone number, and you're still unable to find your account. What's the next step? Don't worry, there are still a couple of things you can try. First, think about any other email addresses or phone numbers you might have used to sign up for Acorns. Perhaps you used a different email address for personal finance apps, or maybe you used an old phone number that you no longer use. Try going through the password recovery process with any other email addresses or phone numbers you think might be associated with your Acorns account. If that doesn't work, the best course of action is to contact Acorns customer support directly. They have a dedicated team that can help you locate your account. You can usually find their contact information on the Acorns website or within the app. Look for a Contact Us or Help section. Be prepared to provide them with any information you remember about your account, such as your name, email address, phone number, or any other details that might help them identify your account. When contacting customer support, be clear and concise about your issue. Tell them that you're having trouble locating your Acorns account and that you've already tried the password recovery process. The more information you can provide, the quicker they'll be able to assist you. Now, let's talk about a few common pitfalls to avoid when trying to find your Acorns account. One common mistake is entering the wrong email address or phone number during the password recovery process. Double-check every digit and character to make sure you're entering the information correctly. Another mistake is forgetting which email address or phone number you used to sign up for Acorns in the first place. Take a moment to think back to when you created your account. What email address or phone number were you using at that time? Another thing to watch out for is phishing emails. Be wary of any emails that claim to be from Acorns asking for your login credentials. Acorns will never ask for your password directly in an email. If you receive a suspicious email, don't click on any links in the email. Instead, go directly to the Acorns website or app and log in from there. Finally, remember that patience is key. Finding your Acorns account might take a little time, especially if you've forgotten the email address or phone number you used to sign up. Don't get discouraged if you don't find it right away. Just keep trying different methods and don't hesitate to contact Acorns customer support if you need help. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.